Yebo 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 ngiyalamukela njalo ku-speakndebele.com igama lami nguNtando. That's another very big hello and welcome to all of you right here at speakndebele.com. My name is Ntando. Now, we are continuing our series Mastering the Ndebele Tongue, and in today's lesson we'll be exploring the X variations, the X sound and its variations. So that's X, XH and GX. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the X sound, okay? So listen carefully. The X sound is made at the very back part of the mouth using a combination of the tongue, the teeth, and the cheek to create the click. So gently trap the extreme back right part of your tongue between the very back molar teeth on the right side of your jaw. Create a vacuum between your tongue, your teeth, and the right back inside corner of your cheek, and then suck through the union, releasing your tongue and cheek from the surface of your teeth quickly into the X click sound. Sounds like quite a lot, right? I know. But when you've done that, it should sound something like this. Try it with me. Very good. Now, let's explore a couple of words with the X sound. Amabala alomsindo ka. Okay? We've got ixoxo. Say it with me. Ixoxo. Of course, that's a frog. Now, xagazela. That's to hustle and bustle about. Xagazela. Xabana. That's to fight or to disagree. Xabana. Okay? Uba. That's to brush your teeth. Uba. You've got Olisa. That's to apologize or say sorry. Olisa. Very good. Let's move on to the XH sound. Now, the XH sound is made in a similar way to the X sound, except this time you will gently breathe through the created vacuum between your tongue, your teeth, and the right back inside corner of your cheek. And as you quickly release your tongue and cheek from the surface of your teeth, the XH sound is made. And it should sound something like this, okay? Try it with me. Okay, so the X sound is XH is very good. So let's explore a couple of words with the XH sound. Amabala alomsindo ga. Okay, let's go. Xwala. That's to rebel or to be against authority. Xwala. Okay. Ixhegu. That's an old man. Ixhegu. All right. Xwatha. That's to boil, to bubble, or to seethe. Xwatha. Okay. And umchanga, yummy. That's a mixture of cooked melon and mealies, okay? That's a traditional Ndebele dish, umchanga. And finally, ichagela. That's something that's germinated, a sprout or an offshoot, a seedling that's germinating, okay? Ichagela. Let's move on to GX. Now the GX sound is made again in a similar way to the X and the XH sound, except this time you will grunt heavily into the created vacuum between your tongue, your teeth, and the right back inside corner of your cheek. And as you quickly release your tongue and cheek from the surface of your teeth, the GX sound is made. Now, if you do it correctly, it should sound something like this. Try it with me. One more time. All right. Did you grunt? Good. Let's explore a couple of words with the sound. Amabala alumsindo ga. Okay. Now you've got xaxaza. Xaxaza. That's something that leaks a lot. Maybe a bucket that leaks a lot. Xaxaza. Okay. Xoba. Xoba. That's to step on something. Xobinyoga. I stepped on a snake. Xoba. Isigxingi, that's a calabash. Isigxingi, those containers they carry water on their heads with. Isigxingi. Xamuza, that's to dip, to dunk, or to completely immerse in water. Xamuza, okay? And isigxangu. Isigxangu is a person who does things wrong, or often used with someone who cannot dance. Isigxangu. There you go. Now there you have it. Those are our X sounds, and we are mastering that Ndebele tongue. Very good. Now look out for our other lessons where we speak about the Q click sounds, the C click sounds, the cheek and teeth sounds, the softened sounds, and our N variations. Now don't forget, come on over to ndebele101.speakndebele.com and subscribe, register for your free account. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Up there, click subscribe and friend us on Facebook because we want to be your friend. Visit us on our website. Yimi Untando. Bye-bye.